PL-2 was designed to deliver scale from a form that traditionally couldn't. More depth, more output, more presence, all with an ultra-thin design. At the center of PL-2 is a newly developed 8-inch flat piston driver. It's engineered specifically to produce high output from a cabinet this slim, while maintaining the speed and control required for music. The result is bass that is both powerful and precise. PL-2 reaches down to 24 Hz, and that changes everything. You begin to feel the lowest fundamentals, the weight behind music, the scale within film. It's not just more bass, it's more presence. PL-2 works in close relationship with the wall behind it. A long-stroke passive radiator fires towards the surface using boundary effect coupling to reinforce and expand low frequencies. The wall becomes part of the system and the room responds. Power comes from a 550-watt Class D amplifier engineered for high current, control and stability. But what defines PL-2 isn't just output, it's how effortlessly it's delivered, composed, controlled, never strained. Even at this level of performance, integration remains essential. REL's high-level connection and fully analog filtering preserve timing, tonal balance and musical flow, ensuring PL-2 works seamlessly across both music systems and home theatre. And despite its capability, it still fits where traditional subwoofers don't. Slim, close to the wall, wireless built in, nothing to manage, nothing to hide. This isn't about excess, it's about capability. Planar PL-2, the art of bass.